In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change MPH to KMH on Life360. Alright, so I'm starting here on my iPhone, and for this one we're actually working through the iPhone settings, not the Life360 app itself. So go ahead and open the settings app on your phone. Once you're inside settings, scroll down a little until you see General. Tap on General to open up the general settings for your iPhone. This is where a lot of system-wide options live, including language, region, and other basics. Now that you're in General, scroll down again until you find language and region. Go ahead and tap on that. This is where your iPhone keeps track of your preferred language and the region your phone is set to, which actually affects things like time, date, and even units for speed and distance. Next, tap on Region. This will show you a list of countries and regions that you can set your iPhone to. To change from miles per hour to kilometers per hour in apps like Life360, you'll want to choose a region that uses kilometers. Some examples are Canada, Australia, or Spain. Scroll through the list and tap on the one you want to use. Once you select a region, your iPhone will update its settings automatically. This change will apply system-wide, so any app that relies on your region for units like Life360 will now display speed in kilometers per hour instead of miles per hour. After the change, you can exit settings and open Life360. You should notice that any speed indicators or travel info that used to show miles per hour will now show kilometers per hour. There's no need to adjust anything inside the app itself, it all updates based on your iPhone's region settings. If you ever want to switch back to miles per hour, just follow the same steps. Go to Settings, General Language and Region, tap Region, and select a country that uses miles like the United States. So just to quickly go through it again, you open Settings, tap General, go into Language and Region, tap Region, and select a country that uses kilometers. That's all it takes. And that's it. That's how you change from miles per hour to kilometers per hour on the Life360 app using your iPhone.